Why do some people completely change their lives while others stay stuck in the same place for years? Why do some people grow stronger every day while others lose their time to fear, distractions, and excuses? The answer is simpler than you think. Your future is built by your daily habits. Welcome to Thrive Talk English. I'm Anaya, and today we are going to talk about one of the most important skills for your future: how to master your time before distractions master your life. In this video, I am going to tell you 10 powerful rules that are not just about time management. They are about building a stronger version of yourself. A version that takes action instead of delaying everything. A version that speaks English with confidence instead of fear. And a version that finally stops watching life pass by without growing. And trust me, if you truly understand these 10 rules, your future self will thank you. Because these rules will not only help you manage your time better, they will also help you become more disciplined, more focused, and more confident in English. And one day, you will look back and realize that the person you once wanted to become is finally becoming real. So stay with me until the end. So the first powerful way is this: respect your time like you respect your future. Have you noticed how quickly life is moving? The days are passing quietly. The years are disappearing silently. And sometimes people suddenly wake up and realize another year is gone. But here's the truth. Every person on this planet has the same 24 hours. The billionaire has 24 hours. The confident English speaker has 24 hours. You also have 24 hours. So the real difference is not time. The real difference is how people use their time. Some people use their hours to learn, practice, and grow, and others slowly lose their time to distractions, excuses, and delay. My friend, every minute you waste, your dream becomes weaker. And every minute you use wisely, your confidence becomes stronger. 15 minutes of speaking today, even with mistakes, is more powerful than 2 perfect hours planned for tomorrow. Because time does not wait. Life does not wait. And your future will not wait either. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start now. Not tomorrow, not one day, today. So the second powerful way is this: create deadlines before life creates them for you. The human brain loves delay. If there is no deadline, your mind believes there is always more time. That is why people keep saying, "I'll start next month. I'll practice later. One day I'll change." But the dangerous part is one day usually never comes. Days pass, weeks pass, and slowly dreams stay trapped inside the mind. Successful people understand something powerful. They do not wait for pressure to arrive. They create pressure themselves. Because deadlines create urgency. Urgency creates focus, and focus creates action. Without deadlines, most people stay comfortable, but comfort is dangerous. Comfort keeps people busy without helping them grow. That is why you must give your goals a clear direction and a clear date. Do not say, "One day I will speak English confidently." Instead, say, "For the next 30 days, I will practice speaking English every single day." Now your brain becomes serious. Now your actions become intentional. That is how real change begins. Dreams without deadlines usually stay dreams forever. Now let's talk about the third powerful way. Win the morning before the world distracts you. The first hour of your morning is more powerful than you think. Because the way you start your morning quietly controls the direction of your entire day. If you wake up and immediately start scrolling, your mind becomes distracted. Your focus becomes weak, and slowly your energy disappears before the day even begins. But successful people protect their mornings carefully because they understand something important. A powerful morning creates a powerful mindset. So use your first hour wisely. Read something meaningful. Exercise your body. Learn something new. Write your goals down. Even small morning habits can completely change your future. Because when you win the morning, you stop chasing the day. You start controlling it. A strong morning often creates a strong life. And now, the fourth powerful way is this. Stop waiting for motivation. Because motivation is temporary. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel inspired. But discipline continues even when feelings disappear. That is the difference. Successful people do not wake up every day feeling motivated. They simply train themselves to take action anyway. If you only work when you feel ready, you will waste years waiting. Because growth does not come from perfect moods. Growth comes from repeated action. Speak English even when you feel nervous. Practice even when you feel lazy. Study even when your mind says later. Because discipline creates success, not emotions. And one small discipline action every day is more powerful than temporary motivation once a month. Now listen carefully to the fifth powerful habit. Plan your day before your phone plans it for you. Because most people wake up, grab their phone, and immediately lose control of their attention. One notification becomes 10. One short scroll becomes 1 hour. And suddenly their entire morning disappears. A distracted morning creates a distracted mind. That is why intentional people create a small plan before the day begins. Ask yourself, what is the most important thing I must do today? What time will I practice English? Even a simple daily plan creates mental clarity. And when your mind feels clear, your focus becomes stronger. A planned day creates a calm mind, and a calm mind learns faster. And now, the sixth powerful way is this: do something small every single day, because consistency is more powerful than intensity. Many people wait for the perfect free time, but successful people create progress with small daily actions. One sentence, one new word, 1 minute of speaking practice. Small actions may feel unimportant today, but repeated every day, they slowly transform your future. Big success is usually built through tiny repeated habits, not one giant moment. That is why daily practice matters so much. Because one small step every day can take you somewhere powerful 1 year from now. Now let's talk about the seventh powerful mind shift. Believe that you can improve. Because confidence changes everything. Many people stay silent not because they are incapable, but because they already decided they are not good enough. Your accent does not define you. Your mistakes do not define you. Your slow progress does not define you. What truly defines you is your effort, your courage, your willingness to keep trying even when it feels uncomfortable. Confidence is not something people are born with. Confidence is built through repeated brave actions. And every time you speak, even imperfectly, you become stronger than yesterday. Now let's talk about the eighth powerful way. Do not wait for the perfect time, because perfect conditions almost never exist. Many people waste years saying, I'll start later. I'll begin when I feel ready. I'll practice when life becomes easier. But life is always moving, and growth begins the moment you take action despite fear. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. You do not need perfect confidence to begin improving. You simply need courage to start imperfectly. Because action creates growth, not waiting. And every imperfect step forward is still progress. Now let's move to the ninth powerful way. Focus on one thing at a time. Because multitasking is destroying your focus. Many people try to learn English while checking messages, watching reels, or switching between apps every few minutes. But a distracted mind cannot grow deeply. Real progress happens when your attention becomes focused. 30 minutes of deep focus is more powerful than 3 hours of distracted study. When you focus deeply, you remember more, you understand faster, and your confidence grows naturally. So when you practice English, give it your full attention. One lesson, one conversation, one focused moment. That is how real growth happens. Now let's talk about the final powerful mindset shift. Protect your environment. Because your environment quietly shapes your habits. If your room is full of distractions, your mind will become distracted. If your phone constantly pulls your attention, your focus will become weak. And if the people around you always complain, delay, and waste time, slowly you may start becoming like them. That is why successful people protect their environment carefully. They create spaces that help them focus, learn, and grow. Your future is strongly connected to what surrounds you every day. So build an environment that supports your goals. Because discipline becomes easier when your environment helps you succeed. If you follow these 10 powerful rules, your life will slowly begin to change. You will stop wasting time on distractions. Your English confidence will become stronger every day. Your mind will feel more focused and disciplined. And one day, you will look back and realize that the person you once wanted to become is finally becoming real. So, my friend, do not let this message end here. Take action today. If this video inspired you, if it gave you hope, then support this journey. Like this video. Subscribe to Thrive Talk English. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message today. And in the comments, tell me one powerful habit you will start from today. Because here, we do not just learn English. We build confidence. We build discipline. We build a stronger future together. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep speaking. And never stop believing in yourself. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Your time matters. Your voice matters. And your future matters too. I will see you in the next lesson.